Using these 5 electronic components, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a voltage regulator using a MOSFET and only 2 buttons, one for up and one for down voltage. Okay, let's start today's video. Here it is the schematic for building this voltage regulator using 2 buttons and MOSFET transistor, and in this case I'm using ERF-Z44 and MOSFET, one capacitor of 1000 nanofarads, one resistor 4.7 mega ohms, and 2 buttons, one for down and one for up. Here go the voltage in, the ground, and the voltage out. The positive is taken from the same wire, but the ground will be given by the drain of the MOSFET, and across this output you can connect a voltmeter so you can see the adjusted voltage. Simple circuit for making a voltage regulator using 5 components. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's build it. I'm finished with building this super simple regulated voltage power supply that can be controlled using these 2 tact switches. Also, I have added a voltmeter, digital voltmeter, across voltage output. Maybe it's confusing, but it's simple. We have 2 wires for voltage in and 2 wires for voltage out. The positive wires for input and output are soldered in the same spot, but the ground voltage input go on the source of the MOSFET, and the output ground is coming from drain of the MOSFET right here. Turned out pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electronic components or parts for making this adjusted voltage power supply. And you can see on this skeleton project how everything is wired. Let's test it now. I'm gonna connect voltage input of 15 volts. Okay, and right away we have output of 11 volts, and must mention the MOSFET can handle maximum 55 volts DC voltage, and the maximum current is around 50 amperes at 25 degrees. When the MOSFET is 25 degrees, at 100 degrees the MOSFET will deliver around 35 amperes. That says on the specs 11.2. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna press the down voltage button and you can see that the voltage is dropping, and when you press the another button the voltage will increase. Here it is maximum 15 volts. I'm gonna hold the down button and let's go to, for example, 6 volts, maybe 7, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna hook up a small bulb and increase the voltage. Working great. That's low voltage. It's a little bit slower, but it's working fine. And this LED voltmeter, because it's 2-wire voltmeter, will work with 3 volts, I think. 2 point, alright, 4.8 volts. Let's try with another device. Let's try this geared motor. I'm set on 5 volts. Working good. Using a multimeter, now I'm gonna measure the voltage. Is it the same with voltage regulator? It says 4.02, 4.02. I'm gonna increase a little bit. 8.34, 8.35. It's good. Increasing a little bit more. 11.6, 11.6. Working fine. And this circuit using a MOSFET and regulating the voltage using 2 tact switches. It's good and I like it. And I hope you learned something new in today's video. If so, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. That was all for today's project. See ya!